Hello everyone, it's Fen at the Bead Flora Studio here, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Due to popular request, I am doing another unboxing today of the beads that I received in the mail. So let's get to it. I told my husband that I couldn't open my beads yet because my people wanted an unboxing video. It's a smaller box than what I got last time because I got really tiny beads, smaller than usual. All right, let's see what we got here. Greens. These are my favorites right now. These are light greens. I got the matte and also the transparent because I like to mix the two. I just love the colors of it. Okay, greens. And this is for my peach blossom project. More greens. More green. More pink. Let's you can see them. So, what is this? Emerald green. More emerald green. Like I said, I like the two finishes of, this is matte and this is transparent. I just love the mixes of these two together. I don't know if I'll actually mix these two. But I do love the light greens mix. What is this? Okay, so these are the really, really tiny ones. These are the size 15 beads. And my Yuki, size 15. I can't wait to start using these. And the reason why I'm getting size 15 beads is because I would like to use them more for my jewelry projects. They just give a more delicate look than if I were to use the size 11s. All right, move these out of the way. What else is in here? The box. That's it. I mean, this is just I guess it's a small haul compared with what I had last time. I didn't buy this. And they gave me a cute little star. I think I have something like this. A smaller one. I mean, a bigger one. I think this, oh, this is a Swarovski star. I used one of them in my Christmas tree before my the one that I made. I just used it on top of a tree, so I can make a tiny tree and put the star on it. Okay. Where are we? I decided to give zebra wire another try. I used the silver before and wasn't pleased because the coating would get on my fingers, but I'm hoping that the colored wires will be different. So I'll let you know how I like them once I use them. I guess I didn't go too crazy on the 15s like I thought. Oh my goodness, this is so neon. Okay, so I'm going to be making jewelry with these small, tiny 15 Mayukis. These are 35-gram containers. I forget the price for these. They're about $3 to $5 for maybe about $5 per little container, depending on the color. So let's see, orange, rainbow dark gold. This looks brown. This is not gold. Orange. Luminous pink. Salmon. Red glass. Fuchsia. Yellow. Oh, this is luminous yellow. It looks neon green. Rose pink. Cyan yellow. Oh, I love this color. I'm a big fan. Luster cranberry. Opaque orange. Garnet. And white. Luster pearl. So in total, I probably got a little over 3 pounds of beads. Just got the necessities, not really with the 15s, but if you saw my last video, you saw all of the color selections that I got. Not so much this time, so just the bare necessities, kind of. So stay tuned and see what I come up with the size 15s with my jewelry collection. So I've been in this studio space for probably about 2 to 3 months now, and I was cleaning up the studio yesterday with my baby on my back because he's a cranky guy. And it's kind of crazy how messy it got in just 3 months because like I said, I've been working on tons of projects. And let's see here. Like these were just like spools of wire all over my 2 work tables. And I found like just bags and bags, just like small Ziploc bags of beads of the same color. I had like 8 to 10 bags of the same color white that I finally put back together. Same with the reds and greens and just everything else. All right, so this is one of my work tables. I finally got these, what do you call these cart drawers, and organized some of my beads by color. And this is my table for filming, but it's full of stuff right now because I was cleaning yesterday. And I didn't show the last haul when I ordered, I don't know how many pounds of beads, but I got tons and tons of the vintage beads. Like 500 grams of red. Just tons and tons of red. These were not what I got, but that's old stuff. This is really old, really old stuff. So my label maker comped out on these, so I need to make labels for these still. And I have all the yellows and golds in this drawer. And down here I have all my greens, more of my favorite light green beads. I have these vintage size 13s. Funny thing is with these smaller beads, these are size 13s, but they are smaller than the size 15s that I just got. So it's kind of ridiculous. I don't know if I'll be using them. Maybe I'll use them to like floss stems or something. More of the vintage greens. I got tons and tons of vintage green. Oh, I showed some of these in my last video about the different types of beads that you can use for making flowers. More size 13s. I went a little bit crazy on the size 13s, and now I have like, I don't know, 3-4 pounds of it. Like, what am I gonna do with it? Oh, there's more. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what am I gonna do with it? Okay. The greens, more of the vintage stuff. Alright. Ooh, this is pretty. Got these years ago though. I haven't used these in a long time. More like a mint color. Alright. This is more like iris green, so I put it in here, but I think I'll make a whole new drawer for just the iris beads. So, what am I going to use? Put my new beads in here. Alright, I think I'm done with greens. This is my closet. I have these shoebox container full of beads. I need to get more label stuff so I can finish labeling everything. There are a couple of empty ones since I took it out and I took the beads out and put them in that rolling cart that you saw. I have these tubs of stuff that I made, and this tub right here are stuff that I want to take apart, things that I've made in the past that I'm not happy with, and it just needs to be taken apart. It's just so much work. I don't know if I want to do that, so it's just sitting in that tub. And so we have these beads here, and I'll show you what's in these purple containers. These are just little containers that I just bought from the dollar store, and just worked on organizing the little bags of beads yesterday. So this is what's in my little purple containers. So I have these little small bags of beads of the same color, and I just put them in the bigger zip top bag. So these are purples. reds. Oh my goodness, I just can't do this today. Obviously I need more coffee. And oranges. Greens, and seriously, I have just so many little bags of this one same color green, this emerald, this matte emerald. There was just so many little bags everywhere. I finally combined them into one bag. It's just ridiculous. So hopefully with this new system, I can, you know, keep the beads of the same color in one place and be able to find them when I need them. Well, my battery is running out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this small studio tour and also unboxing. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.